Quartz countertops in your kitchen or bathroom? Known for their stunning appearance and durability, Quartz is a popular choice for homeowners looking for a low-maintenance yet elegant surface. But did you know that proper care is essential to keeping it looking its best for years to come? In this video, we'll guide you through the best ways to clean, maintain, and protect your Quartz countertops, so they stay spotless and beautiful. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, flawless hosting, and maintaining a stylish, functional space. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more home care and cleaning tips. Before we get into cleaning, let's talk about why quartz countertops are unique. Unlike natural stones like granite or marble, quartz is an engineered stone, made from 90% to 95% natural quartz combined with resins. This special composition gives it some impressive benefits. First, it has a non-porous surface, which means it doesn't absorb liquids, making it stain-resistant and resistant to bacteria buildup. Second, it is scratch and impact resistant, which makes it highly durable, but keep in mind that it's not scratch-proof, so certain precautions are still necessary. Lastly, quartz has heat resistance, but placing hot pots directly on the surface can damage the resin, leading to discoloration or cracks. With proper care, quartz countertops can last for years while keeping their pristine look. Now that we understand what makes quartz special, let's move on to the best way to clean it. Cleaning your quartz countertop is simple and low maintenance. The best way to keep it spotless is by using gentle, non-abrasive cleaners like a mixture of mild dish soap with warm water for everyday cleaning. A soft microfiber cloth works best to remove dirt while preventing scratches. Avoid rough sponges or scouring pads as they can dull the surface. After wiping, dry the surface immediately with a clean, dry cloth to prevent water spots and maintain its natural shine. Tip: always avoid cleaners with bleach, ammonia, or harsh chemicals, as they can break down the resin over time and cause damage. While daily cleaning is essential, a few smart habits can extend the life of your quartz countertops and keep them looking brand new. Always use a cutting board, as sharp knives can still leave marks over time. Use trivets and hot pads to prevent direct contact with high heat, which can weaken the resin and lead to discoloration. Clean spills immediately, since acids from lemon juice, vinegar, and wine can break down the surface if left for too long. Use coasters and placemats to prevent water rings and heat damage. Placing coasters under glasses and mats under hot dishes will help protect the countertop's finish. But what if you accidentally get a stain? While quartz is stain resistant, it's not stain proof, so knowing how to handle spills properly is key. For everyday messes, blot spills immediately with a soft cloth or paper towel. Don't rub, as this can spread the stain. Sticky spills like syrup, honey, or grease can be wiped away with warm water and mild dish soap. For tougher stains like wine, coffee, or ink, dab the area with isopropyl alcohol, also known as rubbing alcohol, and wipe clean. If a stain persists, try a baking soda paste or a baking soda mixed with water applied for 10-15 minutes, then gently wiped away. Avoid strong chemicals. Bleach, Clorox wipes, and abrasive cleaners can dull the finish and cause damage. Instead, opt for a quartz-safe cleaner or a gentle vinegar and water solution. Taking care of stains is important, but long-term maintenance will help keep your quartz countertops looking like new for years to come. Protect it from heat by always using trivets or hot pads. Never place hot pots directly on the surface. Avoid sharp objects, as quartz is scratch-resistant, but cutting directly on it can still leave marks. Always use a cutting board. Prevent chemical damage by sticking to pH-neutral cleaners and avoiding strong acids like oven cleaner or bleach, which can break down the resin. Lastly, regularly check for damage, such as cracks, scratches, or dull spots, because catching these issues early can prevent bigger problems later on. Even with the best care, sometimes issues arise. If you're dealing with stubborn stains that won't go away, it's best to call a professional quartz cleaner to safely remove them. Likewise, for cracks, chips, or deep scratches, a professional repair is the safest way to restore your countertop without causing further damage. Quartz countertops are a beautiful, durable investment, and with the right care, they can last a lifetime. Remember to clean daily with mild soap and water, use cutting boards and trivets to prevent damage, avoid harsh chemicals and direct heat exposure, and handle stains immediately with safe cleaning solutions. By following these simple care tips, your quartz countertops will stay stunning for years to come. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more home care tips and tricks. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching and hosting.